Dear students, in this module, we shall discuss the diversity and classification of neurotransmitters. By the mid 1960s, there were only three neurotransmitters that had been discovered and identified. These were acetylcholine, norepinephrine, and gamma aminobutyric acid, commonly known as GABA. But now, more than 100 neurotransmitter molecules have been identified. These neurotransmitters vary in their size, in their molecular weights, and in their chemical structures. Based on their chemical structure, these neurotransmitters are classified into two groups. The first group includes small, low molecular weight neurotransmitters, while the second group contains larger sized, high molecular weight neurotransmitters which are derived from amino acids. First, we shall discuss the small, low molecular weight neurotransmitters. They include acetylcholine, some amino acid neurotransmitters, for example, GABA, glycine, glutamate, and aspartate. They also include biogenic amines that include norepinephrine, epinephrine, dopamine, serotonin, and histamine. Some gases are also small, low molecular weight neurotransmitters. These are carbon monoxide and nitric oxide. The large, high molecular weight neurotransmitters are the neuropeptides. ये न्यूरोपेप्टाइड्स लार्ज साइज के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं जो कि अमाइनो एसिड से ड्राइव होते हैं. तकरीबन 40 से ज़्यादा न्यूरोपेप्टाइड ट्रांसमिटर्स मैमल्स के सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में मौजूद होते हैं. These neuropeptides include many hypothalamic and pituitary peptide hormones. They include the substance P, that is a substance that is involved in the reduction of pain. Moreover, endorphins and enkephalins are also neuropeptides. Many amino acid derivatives in addition to these substances are also neuropeptides. Dear students, another pattern of classification is based on the mode of action of neurotransmitters. According to mode of action, the neurotransmitters are classified into two groups: fast direct neurotransmitters and slow indirect neurotransmitters. The fast direct neurotransmitters act directly on the ion channels and change the conductance of postsynaptic membrane for various ions. इनमें एसिटाइलकोलिन और अमाइनो एसिड्स ग्लूटामेट, एस्पार्टेट, ग्लाइसिन और गाबा शामिल हैं. Dear students, the slow indirect neurotransmitters work through indirect biochemical pathways that involve G proteins. ये न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स एक सेकेंड मैसेंजर के थ्रू एक्ट करते हैं जो कि चैनल प्रोटीन्स की कंडक्टेंस को तब्दील कर देता है. स्लो इनडायरेक्ट न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स में दो ग्रुप्स के न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स शामिल हैं, यानी बायोजेनिक अमाइंस और न्यूरोपेप्टाइड्स. Many of the neurotransmitters involved in slow indirect neurotransmission also act as neuromodulators. Neuromodulators affect the neighboring neurons and modify their behavior at once.